Let us talk about national news. India's first private LNG plant. LNG means liquefied natural gas plant has been launched in Nagpur on Maharashtra. India's first private LNG facility plant has been set up by Badrinath Ayurvedic Group on Kamptee Road near Nagpur Jabalpur highway. LNG is a natural gas, mainly methane CH4 with some mixture of ethane C2S6, that has been cooled down to liquid from the easier non-pressurized storage and transport. Now, the second is Indian Navy received first batch of MH-60R multi-role helicopters from USA. What is MH-60R? MH-60R is multi-role helicopters. India has received it from US Navy in a ceremony held at Naval Air Station North Island, San Diego in July. Helicopters are designed to support multiple missions with state of the art avionics sensors. 24 of these helicopters are being procured by India under foreign military sales from the US government. तो उसमें का फर्स्ट बैच इनको MH-60R का मल्टी रोल हेलीकॉप्टर का मिल गया है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज विच नेबरिंग कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ अडॉप्टेड इंडियाज भीम UPI. Bhutan has became the first country in India's immediate neighborhood to use Bhim UPI for mobile-based payment and to adopt Bhim UPI standard for its QR development. When Bhim UPI, the Indian government's digital payment app, was launched in Bhutan on July via virtual ceremony by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and her Bhutanese counterpart Leonpo Namgyal Tshering. इससे पहले किसके पास में सिंगापुर ने लॉन्च किया था. सेकंड ये भूटान और नेबरिंग कंट्री में फर्स्ट है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ पैक्ट टू डेवलप ऑफ 679 मेगावाट लोअर Arun hydropower project has been signed between India and Nepal. Nepal signed a $1.3 billion deal with India's hydropower major Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam to develop a hydropower project in eastern Nepal with a memorandum of understanding for the 679 megawatt lower Arun hydropower project located between Sankhosaba and Bhojpur districts in eastern Nepal. Now the next is who has been crowned Miss India USA 2021. Vaidehi Dongre, American Indian Vaidehi Dongre from Michigan, was crowned Miss India USA 2021 in July 2021. Which city has become the first green city in India? Kandla Special Economic Zone was the only was on IGBC platinum rating under IGBC green cities platinum rating for existing cities, making Kandla in Gujarat the first green city and the first green industrial city in India. Now the next is Amit Shah on July 25th launched the Green Sohra afforestation campaign at Sohra where it is Cherrapunji, and gave the slogan Evergreen Northeast, underlining the importance of afforestation and tree plantation. Sohra in Cherrapunji launches a Green Sohra afforestation campaign. Now the next is which city in India has become the first one to have city-wide safe drinking tap water for 24 hours? Puri in Odisha. Puri in Odisha was on 26 July declared the first city in India to offer safe drinking water directly from the tap for 24 hours for its resident, as Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik decided the Sujal drink from tap mission in Puri. Now the next is how many tiger reserves in India have received the accreditation of the Global Conservation Assured Tiger Standards CATS किसको मिला है? 14th tiger reserves in India have received accreditation of the Global Conservation Assured Tiger Standard CATS. The 14 कौन कौन से हैं? मानस, काजीरंगा एंड ओरांग इन असम, सतपुरा, कान्हा एंड पन्ना इन MP, पेंच इन महाराष्ट्र, वाल्मीकि टाइगर रिजर्व इन बिहार, दुधवा इन UP, सुंदरबन इन वेस्ट बंगाल, पेराम Parambiculam in Kerala, Bandipur Tiger Reserve in Karnataka, and Madhumalai and Annamalai Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu. These are accredited of the Global Conservation Assured Tiger Standards. Now the next is who has been re-elected as the president of Kho Federation of India. Mittal, Sudhanshu Mittal was unanimously re-elected the president of the Kho President of India for the term 21-25 as its annual general meeting in New Delhi.